Okay, so today what we are going to be doing is we're going to be throwing these little airplanes off the deck. And they were made out of colored paper. Mine was blue and my mom is green, lime green. And we're going to have a race, me and my mom. And the wind is going that way. Seems like kind of just stopped. So we're gonna, which way do you think we should throw it?
I think on this side of the deck.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna throw it that way.
So we're not really gonna throw it, you just kind of let it
Yeah,
off,
you just kind of like let it go. All right. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. So last time we did it, we had 2 ties.
I win!
And my mom's 2. Okay. Mom, keep the video going. So, as you can see, my mom had won because hers went farther than mine. But the last 2 times, we both had a tie because they are kind of the same.
Okay, one more go.
Yeah, okay.
They are the same. Put them next to each other. Just about the same. We tried a couple of different designs, right?
Yeah.
And this was the best. Okay, ready again?
Yeah.
This is the top, right?
And this is the bottom.
And that's the bottom. Okay. Ready, set?
Go.
Oh, wait. Which way is the wind going?
Seems like it's going that way.
It is. So we should probably turn this way, right?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, hang on a second.
3, 2, 1.
Tie!
Wait, Bob, did you say tie?
Oh, well, you win.
Look. I win. because mine
You
was
do
farther.
win. Go Ozzy!
Alright, so we had 2 ties. And Mom won once and I won once. So these are basically the exact same.
One more try?
Okay.
Okay. Which way's the wind going?
It's going that way.
All right, ready?
I can see my hair going that way. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Looks
Nice
like I
point.
win.
All right, Ozzy.
I won too, and
Hey,
you won.
Ozzy. Say bye.
Bye.